Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to draw a beautiful flower vase for Happy New Year. And it's so easy that even the vase might blush and say, "Oh, thank you." While we draw, here's a tiny cute story. There was a simple little vase who thought, "I'm just plain and boring." But on New Year's Eve, colorful flower popped in, and shy tulip, a ugly daisy, and the super chatty rose who kept saying Happy New Year every 5 seconds. Yes. Suddenly the vase did not feel plain anymore. It realized that the flowers were like friends. They thought they brought colors, joy, and lot of laughter. And together they decide that this new year they would spread happiness wherever they bloomed. So today let's draw this cute and happy flower vase and make it full of new year vibes. Grab your pencil, pen, paper and let's start drawing together. we are done. Look at our beautiful New Year flower vase. The tulip is smiling, the daisy is giggling. Yes, and the rose is still saying Happy New Year, non-stop. If you like this easy and fun drawing, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe and make it flower bloom every brighter. Tell me in the comment which flower you like the most. Wishing you all a very happy new year full of creativity, colors, and lots of happy moments. Okay, guys, see you in the next funny video, interesting video. Till then, bye bye and happy new year to your family as well. Bye bye.